How can you allow the Fiverr app to override silent mode on your Android? Let's get started. I know a lot of people are interested in this because, there are some apps which are more important than others. And if you want to set up a specific way where chosen apps will be able to be, like have regular mode and everything else will be silenced, then this is what you need to do about it. So essentially, what you'll need to use is what's called modes and routines. And in here, no matter if you create a brand new one or use one of the existing ones like the work or relax, whatever it might be, but let's say we're going to go with work. In here, you can enable the do not disturb mode. So it means that your phone will be in a silent mode, or basically you will not receive any kind of notifications, but you can click on the exceptions right here and choose apps from your phone which will be able to override these settings in this mode. So you can allow these apps to still deliver notifications even though your phone is technically in the silent or do not disturb mode. So you can pick obviously Fiverr right here, as well as some different contacts or whatever app you like. So it's pretty simple. Just ensure that you turn on the work mode whenever you need, or you can also just set up a place or a time period during which it will be turned on automatically. So it's really that simple. There isn't really much else to do. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully set it up. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you soon.